Cough. Now, this is a very difficult word to spell, so I've given you a saying to help you. It's much easier sometimes to have a saying, especially when you can't sound it out. So the first sound that we hear is cough. So let's write the word cough. You know it starts with a C, followed by an O or an R, on, cough on. Then there's a U, so untidy, cough on, untidy. There's a G, green, hippo, which is a H, hippo. Okay, so there it is, cough on, untidy, green, hippo. So there's untidy, green hippo, and there's someone coughing on him. So how would you spell the word cough? C-O-U-G-H. So C-O-U-G-H. Cough on, untidy, green hippo.